A book I like most, Gitanjali. The book I like most is Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore, one of the greatest literary works in Bengali literature. The word Gitanjali means song offerings. It is a collection of beautiful poems that express spirituality, love, nature, humanity, and the relationship between human beings and the divine. I like this book because its poems are simple yet deeply meaningful. Tagore beautifully describes the beauty of nature and the emotions of the human heart. His words make me think about life, happiness, sorrow, love, and our connection with the world around us. Gitanjali is also historically important because Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913, becoming the first Asian Nobel laureate in literature. The English version of Gitanjali played an important role in introducing his poetry to readers around the world. Whenever I read Gitanjali, I feel peaceful and inspired. It teaches me to appreciate nature, remain humble, and find beauty in ordinary life. That is why Gitanjali is one of my favorite books, and I would recommend it to anyone who loves poetry and meaningful literature.